Casey here, and today I'm gonna open up Play-Doh Plus eggs. Pinkie Pie is here to watch. Yay! So let's just start. Now the first one I'm gonna open up is Wobbles, who's green, and this egg is actually green. But let's actually figure out if the egg's green. So I guess the egg is green. So let's open it up. And just to tell you, all of these might be Shopkins. Most of these. So, oh my gosh. So we got a little fox or a cat or something like that. And that is so adorable. Look at it. Ah, look how cute that is. Oh, that's so slippery from the Play-Doh Plus. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay. Now, I'll just let her lay down. And I don't like my Play-Doh Plus to dry up. So, and I like circling it into a ball so it looks pretty new. So, that's what I'm just going to do, okay? Okay, so Wobbles could go right next to her. Whoa, whoa! Okay, they're two wobbly people. Okay. Next, I'm not going to go completely in order. So, I'm going to do Frankfurter now. Okay, Frankfurter could go over there. And let's open this up and ooh, I love that egg. Oh my gosh, look at the fun, it's so cool. Oh my gosh, we got pop pizza in here. And if you didn't know, with the Shopkins, right here, if you have a rainbow loom hook, you can hook it so you can get off. See what I'm talking about? So you can hook it. It's fun hooking till it's gone. Hook it. Hook it. Hook it. Hook it, hook it, hook it. And so much fun hooking it. I just don't know why. It's just a lot of fun hooking it. Okay. Now let's just roll this into a ball. Oh, it smells so creamy and it feels very creamy. Okay. Casey, you gotta calm down and don't eat it. Because you know what it says on this box. Fun to play with, but not to eat. So, Casey, calm down. That's crying or if that's the milk. I think it's the milk. I really think. A lot of people say it's crying, but I really think because you know really. Okay, we've got that. Now let's stick in our last. Cute adorable. Side. And you guys, say it again, but please subscribe and like to this amazing video. And I'll see you in one of my other videos, guys. Bye!